What's up guys, and welcome to the special unboxing and first impression of the brand new Samsung Galaxy A22. It's Samsung's cheapest Galaxy with the best possible specs. It's also coming in 5G as well, making it the cheapest 5G phone from Samsung. The models that I'm playing with are the more affordable 4G variants. So let's talk about why does this phone exist, what's different about Galaxy A22. I mean, the pricing is actually very similar to the Galaxy A32, at least where I live, and probably in other markets as well, which is making things a bit confusing. First up, with the Galaxy A22, Samsung is bringing something that they couldn't do with their Galaxy A32, like the optical image stabilization. Yes, this is actually Samsung's cheapest smartphone ever in history to have optical image stabilization on the main camera, which means you get better images, better stabilization, improvement with the video, and of course better performance in low light situations. So yeah, optical image stabilization is kind of a big deal, and this is something that they only kept for their Galaxy A52 and A72. So this is the only model or the only budget model in the A series to have this feature. The optically image stabilized lens is coming at 48 megapixel resolution. As for the other sensors, they are pretty much what you normally get, the ultra wide, macro, and the depth sensor. Now I had a quick hands-on time, so I wasn't able to test out the actual camera performance, so you'll have to wait for that. As for the design, the material is very similar to other A series phones. It's got a plastic build. However, that quad camera boxy look does make it stand out. It comes in 3 colors. I got to play with only 2 of them, this black and purple color. Personally, I really adored the black model because it's got that really nice glossy look. You get a trusty fingerprint scanner on the back, headphone jack at the bottom, with a Type-C port that supports fast charging up to 15 watts. Now display wise, we have a 6.4-inch AMOLED 90Hz panel with HD resolution that is actually a HDR display. It's bright, it's got good colors, and honestly, I prefer this over a LCD or a TFT combo. We also have a 5000 mAh battery, so it will be able to last you more than a day without any issue, as we have seen in previous Samsung smartphones with 5000 mAh battery. Software wise, Android 11 on board with no ads, of course. I mean, software is Samsung's edge, if you know what I mean. One UI, all that goodness. I like Samsung Skin, and that 90Hz definitely help moving around, scrolling through menus and stuff. Performance wise, it was smooth. However, I wasn't able to test any games, but I don't have to since it's the same processor as the Galaxy A32, so you can expect decent performance in games depending on medium to high settings. Okay, so Galaxy A22 overall, I believe it's a better version of Galaxy A32 in some ways, especially if you look at the optical image stabilization with the main camera. Rest of the specs are similar to the A32. That is why the pricing is not that different. However, it would have been better if it was priced even cheaper. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.